here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Kato HD35V5 mini excavator. This excavator has an enlarged enclosed operator cab with optimal legroom. We also have highly responsive pilot controls, easy to read instrument panels. Inside our cab we have all of our centralized switches as well as our spare power point, the seat. This excavator has world standard safety, ROPS certified, as well as an all lever lock, neutral engine start. There is a 360 view all the way around your cab. We have hydraulic expandable tracks ranging between 61 and 71 inches for greater flexibility and stability. This excavator comes with a 11-gallon fuel tank, as well as the 23 horsepower Yanmar 3T NV88 engine. This excavator also has hydraulic panel for access to your engine. We have an auto parking brake and swing and traction motors, as well as a quick response 4-pump system, including the hydraulic thumb. This excavator has a max digging radius of 17 feet, as well as a max digging depth of 10 feet 11 inches, a max vertical dig depth of 9 feet 2 inches, as well as a max dumping height of 12 feet. We have a max digging height of 17 feet, as well as a mid-front turn radius of 7 feet 2 inches. Our at-right boom swing is 6 feet 3 inches. The bucket capacity is 3.5 feet with a 24-inch bucket. The operating weight is 8,082 pounds, as well as a transport weight of 7,606 pounds. This excavator has a swing speed of 9 RPM, as well as a max travel speed of 2.9 miles per hour. There is a gradability of 30 degrees with a ground pressure of 4.4 psi. There is a bucket digging force of 7,688 pounds. Our swing angle at the left is 50 degrees, as well as the right with 80 degrees. We have a total hydraulic system flow of 25 GPM. The max auxiliary hydraulic flow is 16 GPM. Our dozer blade is 15 inches by 61 inches. We have a dozer lift above at 15 inches and a drop below ground at 18 inches. There is no swing when operating. Once again, this is the Kato HD35V5 mini excavator with a 23 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine. If you are interested in this excavator or any other excavator we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.